Hello everyone! Today I will talk about your professional dress code and will give you important tips how to always look polished and professional. So let's be real. We are in the beauty industry, so how we present ourselves has a huge impact on our business. And when you're selling permanent makeup procedures, it's important that you not only sell it, but you also live it. Having your own permanent makeup that is polished and beautiful will be one of the best and strongest pitches that you can make to your potential clients. Remember, you're the expert, so the clients will look up to you to not only tell them what looks good, but also to show it to them. And if you look good, they will believe that you can make them look good too. Social media, recommendations from friends, or other marketing tools will bring you new clients. But your image is what will seal the deal. When you present yourself as an attractive professional with impeccable taste and hygiene, you will instill the confidence in your clients and help you grow and maintain your thriving business. To put it simply, your appearance and presence is an essential tool for your growth of your business. So first, let's talk about your garments. This is one of the first things that client will notice about you. So you need to make sure that first impression is a good one. So I'm going to give you steps that you can take in your daily life that will help you to look like a polished professional. Number one, always wear clean, stylish, and comfortable clothing. And you can find some really nice options at some specialized medical uniform stores for medical professionals. But since we're working with pigments and colors, I would highly suggest that you would choose garments that have dark colors. Number two, don't wear dangly or extra large jewelry, since this can be distracting and even interfere with the equipment or the procedure. Keep those things for your life outside of the workplace. Make sure that you wear stylish but closed-toe shoes that are comfortable and easy to clean. And in some states, this is a requirement to keep you safe. Next, avoid using perfumes to make sure that you don't cause anyone to have an allergic reaction. And I know this may sound like over the top, but have you ever had a client with an odd smell or the smell that you don't like? And imagine the situation other way around. And imagine that your client has to suffer the smell for 3 hours, because some people can be very sensitive to the smells. It is always a good idea to use disposable protective garments like an apron or specialized disposable robe. This will not only make you look professional, but will protect your garments and will help to maintain cleanliness and safety. Your grooming habits. You and your clients will be sharing your personal space, so it is crucial that you do everything you can to present your best look and your best smell, even up close. Use my following recommendations as a part of your daily practice to keep you looking as a polished professional. I know the things I will say may may be obvious to some of you. And if I do, that's great. You don't have to change anything. So number one, take a shower before every workday and make sure to refresh throughout the day. Wash your hands regularly and rinse or refresh your face throughout the day. Always keep your hair clean and styled. And if you have long hair, keep it back in a fashionable ponytail or a bun to keep it out of the way. Keep your oral hygiene by brushing and flossing your teeth. Do it at least twice a day and use mouthwash throughout the day. And of course, deodorant is a must. And I know I already talked about the importance of the smell. Make sure your nails are kept short and well groomed. Stylish long nails they look really nice, but outside of your workspace. You're working with your hands, and your long nails can easily scratch a client or interfere with your work. And I'm going to tell you my experience. Recently, I went to a hair salon, and I had a girl with these super long nails. She shampooed my hair. And it was a terrible experience because it just felt like I had my hair washed with chopsticks. And imagine this is her job. This is what she does. She's supposed to make her clients to look relaxed and give them a pleasant experience. And it was terrible. So keep that in mind. Make sure your skin is healthy, clean, and glowing as much as possible. Makeup, permanent or decorative, needs to be on point at all times, every single day when you see clients. It does not need to be a made-up look, just a clean, nice, glowing look. And finally, pay attention to what you eat and what you drink while you're open for business. Because no one wants to have a service professional with an onion or garlic breath. Even the smell of some foods can linger throughout the day. For instance, like some Chinese foods. So be mindful of that. And just always keep in mind that stylish clothing, accessories, and clean and beautiful appearance will help you to earn and keep your clients. It will help you to keep their trust, loyalty, and admiration. Those are the keys to any successful beauty business. And at the end, I want to share a little tip with you that will help your clients to feel special. When you talk to your clients and they share maybe some personal things with you, make mental notes and then later add it to their chart. And next time, ask them, how's your dog doing? How did your mom do after the surgery? Those little things, they do go long ways. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in my next session.